It's so hot, the droplets will disappear within minutes. But the thorny devil has a trick. He's found a tiny puddle only a few millimeters deep, and he dips his toe into it. His skin is like blotting paper. He collects moisture by capillary action, sucking it up along the interconnecting grooves until he glistens all over. When the water reaches his mouth, he can collect it, while still keeping his head up on the lookout for danger. The Parenti is 200 times the size of a thorny devil. Tiny puddles and droplets are of no use to him. What he needs is a juicy lizard. That was a bearded dragon that wasn't quite quick enough. Even the Parenti sometimes gets a chance to quench his thirst.